Hi, this is Aaheli Maitra.
Start your skin prep with a facial mist. Add a facial cream, followed by a facial oil for a dewy base. Meanwhile, start filling up your eyebrows. Buff out to remove any harsh edges. Use a concealer to clean the brows and then blend in with your fingers. Use a brow pencil to roughly map out the shape of the butterfly wing. Fill out the butterfly wing with a very light shade of eye base. Start tapping in the turquoise shade right at the center of the butterfly wing. Start adding the black eyeshadow towards the outer edges of the butterfly wing. Blend the black into the turquoise shade with a deeper teal shade. Add finer details to the butterfly wing using a black liner. Use a nail art brush to add white detailings to the butterfly wing. Add a black wing liner and then some fluttery false lashes. Starting off with the base, adding a serum based foundation. Adding a very light concealer to dramatically highlight the face. Blending out the concealer with a dense dome-shaped brush to get maximum coverage. Powder areas where it tends to crease a lot. Using a darker shade of stick foundation which has a cooler undertone for contouring. Blending out the cream contour with the same foundation brush. Use a darker powder foundation as your bronzer. Highlight the bridge of your nose, your cheekbones, your chin, your cupid's bow, and your forehead. Now add a bright pink matte blush on the cheekbones. Use a dark matte brown lip liner to line your lips. While lining your lips, follow the shape of an O to get the illusion of a plump lip. Add a nude glossy lipstick. Follow it up with a lip plumper. Add mascara to the lower lashes. Use a white matte liner in your waterline to open up your eyes. Add white shimmer to the inner corners of your eyes. End your look by adding some beauty spots to your face. And just like that, you are done. Hope you had a great time watching this video.
You are watching me on femina.in. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to femina.in.